Day 16. How to get AI to work step by step. Yesterday, we learned how to use role, task, context, audience, format, and constraints in a prompt. Today, we are going one step further. Instead of giving AI one huge task and expecting everything at once, we will learn how to break a large task into smaller, clear steps so AI can produce more accurate and useful results. Imagine you tell AI, create a YouTube video about artificial intelligence for me. This sounds simple, but the instruction is actually very broad. AI still has to decide the topic, target audience, video length, hook, script structure, caption, and even the type of content you want. A much better approach is to divide the work into steps. For example, Step 1, choose a topic. Step 2, create a strong hook. Step 3, write the script. Step 4, create the caption. Step 5, provide hashtags. This approach is called step-by-step prompting or workflow prompting. At the intermediate level, you can give AI the complete workflow in one clear instruction. First, suggest 5 topics. Then select the best topic. After that, create a 30-second script. Finally, write a caption and provide 10 relevant hashtags. Now AI understands not only what you want, but also the order in which you want the work completed. This becomes especially useful when creating content. For example, if you want to make a short about learning AI, your workflow can be idea right pointing arrow hook right pointing arrow script right pointing arrow caption right pointing arrow hashtags. Having a clear workflow makes your content creation more organized and helps you stay consistent. Now let's take it to the advanced level. We can add conditions, criteria, audience, language, and restrictions to the workflow. For example, first, suggest 5 AI topics. For each topic, mention the target audience and difficulty level. Select the most beginner-friendly topic. Then create a 30-second Roman Urdu script on that topic. Make the first 3 seconds attention-grabbing and use simple language. After the script, provide a caption and 10 relevant hashtags. If any information is uncertain, do not guess, clearly mention that it needs verification. This is an advanced workflow prompt because AI now knows the task, the order, the selection criteria, the audience, the language, and the limitations. One important concept to remember is the difference between a giant request and a structured workflow. Instead of saying, create a complete viral video for me, think like this. Idea right pointing arrow research right pointing arrow outline right pointing arrow script right pointing arrow review right pointing arrow caption right pointing arrow hashtags. Professional AI users often think in workflows because complex tasks become easier to manage when they are divided into clear stages. This also gives you more control over the final result. You can review each stage, make corrections, and improve the next step instead of accepting everything at once. Let's take a university assignment as another real-life example. Instead of telling AI, make my assignment, you can guide it step by step. First explain the topic, then identify the important points, create an outline, explain each point, and finally review the answer for clarity and mistakes. This approach helps you understand the information instead of simply copying an answer, and it gives you a chance to verify the content before using it. Now here is your Day 16 homework. Your topic is artificial intelligence. Write one prompt that instructs AI to complete these tasks in order. Suggest 5 topics, choose the best topic, create an outline, write a 30-second Roman Urdu script, and then provide a caption plus 10 hashtags. As a bonus, add at least one condition such as, avoid difficult English words, keep the explanation beginner-friendly, or, do not use unnecessary information. Send your prompt to me, and I will check it on a scale of 10. Finally, remember today's golden rule. Big task right pointing arrow small steps right pointing arrow clear instructions right pointing arrow better results. The better you structure the workflow, the more control you have over the output. This is one of the most useful prompt engineering skills you can learn, and we will build on it in the next lesson. Now complete your Day 16 challenge, write your prompt, and share it in the comments. Follow for the next AI lesson and save this video so you can come back to it later.